get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Mr. Crab from SpongeBob. I guess Krabs. Okay, here we go. So to start with, we are gonna draw his big old claw right up here in this corner. And it's going to be a letter C. And when it gets to the bottom here, we're gonna hold off and then we're gonna pick back up again and come around like that. Then we're gonna do some little crabby claw lines. Some little crabby claw lines. And then it's gonna be coming down for his arm and back in for the rest of his arm. Hey, we got a claw done. Nice job. Okay, so now we're gonna go diagonal over here and we're gonna draw another claw. This claw is gonna be a little different, but not much. So we're gonna start with a C, like that. Then we're gonna come over here and fill the rest of the circle in like so. And then we're gonna come in here, do some wiggly claw lines, and there's the other claw. And then his arm's gonna come up like so, and it's gonna kind of line up with this one, like that. All right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw Mr. Krabs' shirt. So to start with, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna draw a line like that for his one sleeve. And then it's gonna come over. And we're gonna come over here and draw another sleeve like that. Boink, boink, like so. And then we are going to draw a line that kind of arches down like that. We're going to draw a triangle, and then it's going to come out like so, come down, and then we're going to draw a line coming across that goes down like that. And now we're ready for Mr. Krabs' great big belly. All right, so to start with, his pants kind of come around like so. All right, and then he's got a square for his belt, another little teeny tiny square for his belt, and then he's got this buckle with another little square in the middle. And then he's got another rectangle that comes back up like this. Okay. And then he's got another little rectangle like that, and that's his belt. And then we've got another curvy line here, and then it comes out. It goes behind his claw, and then comes back down, comes across. Then it comes up, but not very far because his pants come up like this at the bottom. And then this line comes out and around and matches up with his pants. And then he's got his little crab feet. And then he's also got his zipper. There we go. That is looking pretty good. Now I noticed here I goofed this up. This should go all the way across, and this is all gonna be black. And then hopefully this will be like, ah, I see the belt now. And then there's actually another little guy back here. There we go. All right, Mr. Krabs has his pants on. So now we're gonna do his head. So his head is just gonna follow this line right up here like so. And then this one's gonna follow that line like that. And then we're gonna put on this great big Mr. Krabs smile. He seems kind of French to me. Maybe it's because he's got the little mustachio thing. Then there's another line that comes around like so. And we've got his little eyes that come way up and then come down. And they've got these little eyelashes. Here's this eye with another black in the middle, and I'm gonna leave a little white for highlight. And then here's his other eye. There we go. And of course, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. There we are. And then his head comes up behind here. And he's got a little flaring thing here. I don't know what that is. And then we forgot his little there we go. And I think we're done. It looks pretty good. We've got some shine lines on the claw where they'll be a little bit lighter. And I think that looks pretty good. So we're gonna put him on the ground at Bikini Bottom. And there he is. Now, we could come in here and put some of these little things in the background, like so. There we go. Put a third one here, a little smaller. Got one right here. There, that looks a little better. Okay, hey, if you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for joining me.